The 2030 agenda has served as a wake-up call for Zimbabweans, revealing its negative impact on our country and its people. Interestingly, it has also unintentionally united many citizens in support of General Chiwenga, with the growing hope that he will take the reins as Zimbabwe's next leader. Sanabina mashikobdanyo kavana pachinzi aiwa ED 2030 agenda is backfired. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamzimai. The current state of governance in Zimbabwe is deeply concerning. Issues such as misallocation of funds towards unnecessary programs continue to plague the nation. It is essential to promote sound corporate government practices, particularly within state-owned enterprises. Zimbabwe's state-owned enterprises have faced serious challenges, including poor performance, corruption, and a lack of transparency. Research indicates that weak governance structures and lack of accountability are significant contributors to these issues. The Zimbabwean government must prioritize transparency, accountability, and good governance by establishing clear guidelines that ensure the separation of powers and foster a culture of responsibility and fairness. By addressing these governance issues, Zimbabwe can unlock its useful potential and work towards a brighter future for all its people. Thank you. God ogomwe. Thomas kwanobuda nyoro panapa pamusoro aiwa pe the 2030 agenda iri kunoonzi aiwa the 2030 agenda nokuva vibrant kwayakanga iri tiona kuzipinda kwaita wana bomb show. Now people they've now be opened vakuziva panapa vakunyatsa kuziva chokwadi zvaonekwa kunzi aiwa people they've deviated. Mutungamiri wenyika akabva aluza masupporters and now people they are now garnering aiwa hapana VP Constantino Chiwenga vachiti aiwa general vanenge vari nani pane these guys. Tudze mafunguro enyu motikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi pane comment section medu. Mudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.